guys, let's start our recipe. So what you want to do is you want to get your oven tray lined with some foil paper. What happens is when you put your peppers inside your oven, it will start giving out some liquid and it's really tough to clean out, so it's easier to just put foil before you put them in. You don't have to do anything with them, you're just gonna oven bake them, okay? So just put them with their heads down, like so. I've got about 6. Give them a little space so they can bake evenly. And this is all you need to do. You put it in the oven for about 30 minutes baking until all the skin is blistered, because what you want to do is take all the skin off to pickle your peppers. So let's put it in the oven for 30 minutes, okay? You want it at 150 degrees and for 30 minutes, okay? Guys, we're back. It's been 30 minutes. The peppers have been in the oven, so we're going to take them out and show you what they look like. Okay, so this is what they're meant to look like, okay? But they're too hot at the moment and you can't really touch the skin. So when it's cooled down for about 15 minutes, we're going to take all the skin off, okay? So I'll see you in 15 minutes. So after you've taken all the skins off and the seeds, this is what it should look like, right? So it's just like that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab them and just roughly chop them in squares. So just roughly, right? Right, and once you stop cutting them, it's really quick. You just need to add to this a little salt, okay? Some olive oil. And some vinegar. And then just mix. You get this pulled out the way. So you just mix it. And this is how you pickle your peppers. But I'll come back to show you what I like to do with this, with the side salad, and how I plate it up and put it out to my friends. So I'll be back in a second. So I'm going to show you how I like to do this. I get some peppers. Usually I let them marinate in the olive oil and the vinegar for at least a half hour. Okay, so they taste vinegary. And then I just add them in a little bowl. And I sort of do like a platter. And you can just eat this with toasties. You can eat it as an entree. You can eat it as a side dish, right? So just get yourself some toasties, add to that, and some prosciutto, and add it in like so. just roughly chop it. And serve it like that to your family and friends. You know, you can just add it on the toasty and just have it like that. You can also do like a salad. I like to do salad with this. So I'll do a little, I've got some iceberg lettuce, right? I'm doing a portion for one, but you can do this in a bigger scale if you like, okay? I'm putting some purple onion because it's sweeter and the color also, it looks beautiful on a plate. So get yourself some onion. Doesn't have to be a lot. Okay. Add that in. Like that, just a little bit. Some cherry tomatoes. I have some cherry tomatoes, the elongated ones. Alright, just like that. And I love feta cheese, so I always like to add a little bit of feta in my salads. So again, no need for anything posh, just get it with your hands and just chop it out and put it in your salad like that. It's going to give you that saltiness to the savory and the sour of the salad, okay? Sorry, I'm going to just wash my hands quickly. Then you get yourself some of this beautiful pickled pepper and just chop it lightly, just like that. Just a little finer on top, and then another little bit. Some croutons. For the crispiness. And this is tomato and oregano ones. And just again, a little bit of olive oil. Just a touch, okay? And a little bit of vinegar. And you're set to go. So this is how I like to use my peppers, my pickled peppers for my salads and as an entree with my friends and a glass of wine. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up and click on the subscribe button so you can get told when I've got new videos out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.